DIYs. It's Chriso. Thanks for coming back again. What I'm doing here, I want to show you an example. Right, so I never use a tape. It's sort of, no, I like to use a piece of tile. Anyway, I'm transferring that shape down onto my tile there. Right, so that goes there. You mark it there. Don't ever assume that things are square or level or whatever. See my mark there? See it there? So that box section is like 8mm out of square. So you can't cut your tile square, you've got to follow it. So it's there. Run your piece of tile over, draw a line like that, and then you go up here, allowing for your grout line. Can it be, oh no, you see that's miles out as well. So you just mark it accordingly. This is all like it's a beautiful area, this area that I am in, but they were all sort of built as group houses. So they had subcontractors putting them together. So don't expect anything to be square, level or plumb. Because it won't be. But it's no biggie. That things are out of square and that sort of thing, so don't worry about it. You just cut your tile to it. Puszka. That's how you do it, DIYs. Now, I'm never that confident that I'll put glue on it I'll try it first. You know what I mean? Try things first, DIYs. Oh, just in case. I've got to take a little bit out for that cornice. So let's mark it. Then I know. And I just might be a little bit tight there. Okay. I saw my chisel. My rubber hammer will do for this sort of thing. I need to stand on a bucket. I do have my steps in the van, but they're too far away. That's it. We'll just trim a little bit of that cornice away so we can get the tile in there. Let's just try it again. See if it'll work this time. But like I said before, I just might be a little bit tight. Okay, scribe that down there. Scribe that there, and I tell you, when I cut that again, it will be perfect.